Tech Startup lead generation tip number 4. Setting up and regularly tracking Google Analytics goals. Google Analytics is one of the most powerful tools for analysing your leads and therefore taking action on your website and your marketing campaigns to increase the number of leads that you're getting. Most website developers just install the Google Analytics code and just leave it there, but you need to go one step further and start setting up goals. A goal is something that you want your website visitor to achieve, such as completing a contact form, booking a demo, or registering for a free trial. Every time a website visitor has triggered one of your goals, you can find really valuable insights about them, such as their demographic, how did they come onto your website, was it a link from a social media post, a newsletter, or a Google ranking? And you can even track the journey that they took through your website. What pages on your website did they look at before they decided to give you that lead? This valuable information about your existing leads can empower you to make informed decisions about your own website and your marketing campaigns in terms of which marketing campaigns are working well. For example, if you're running multiple campaigns and you look at your Google Analytics goals and you can see that the majority of your leads are coming from your email newsletters, that means that you know that your email newsletters are a really effective marketing campaign for you, and therefore you can make the decision to leverage that even more by putting even more budget and resource into your email newsletters.